Hey, all, Chris from Estuarycleaning. Cleaning windows of the Far Coast once again. So, I wanted to talk today about the power of an individual customer, the power of networking and social media. Okay. So, in simple terms, social media is effectively, as we all know, is the electronic connection of human beings who socially interact online. Human beings, we are social creatures. We will interact with each other in just about every way we can. I think it's been particularly felt during COVID, where perhaps some of our social activities, if you like, have been restricted somewhat, to say the least. But I think that's a subject for another video, perhaps even another channel. So, social media. I'll give you an example of how it's helped me in my business. So, as an example, just this week, so today is Friday. On Sunday afternoon, I got a message through the Facebook page for my business, which is Estuarycleaning, to come and give a quote for some window cleaning. Okay, I've turned up. It's 3 sides of glass. It's you know, a pretty standard semi-detached, and we can do it in under 10 minutes with the water-fed pole. Happy days. So that's £10, not a problem. Good result. Customer's happy and refers us on to her parents, who live out in the sticks in the Hambleton sort of area of Blackpool, or sort of the Fylde coast, if you like, close to the estuary. Okay. Now, because it's rural and not a lot of people go there, not a lot of window cleaners especially go there, some of these areas, it can be absolutely lucrative gold mines. Once you're in there, customers will generally, if I'm honest, stick with the person that comes along first. Okay, and so we've gone to clean this, you know, clean the windows on the Tuesdays. It just so happens we're in that area. So as we've gone to clean the windows on the Tuesday, there are 4 other houses on that street who immediately pounced on us and said, well, can you come and clean mine? Can you come and clean mine? How much for mine? So each of those houses was £20 each. So it's £100 for those 5 houses on that one street, plus £10 for the initial customer. Okay. One of the people that lives in one of those sort of 5 houses in the rural sticks is a letting agent, and the letting agent made me aware that they were a letting agent, and they were perhaps on the lookout for a window cleaner stroke gutter clean, you know, a cleaning specialist, if you like, etc., getting properties ready for, you know, having tenants in them, occupying them, renting them out, etc., or even selling the occasional property, etc. So obviously the people want them nice and clean. You know, a clean property, a well-maintained property tends to sell a lot easier than one that is falling apart at the seams. So, we've already booked in a gutter clearing job through this letting agent, and I was out giving a quote, and I parked my van outside the house. I just needed to measure up the actual gutter to get an idea of just sort of how high up it is and whether or not we can get it with the gutter vac, etc. And then I was approached by another customer on that street for a deep clean, which is about £400. So yeah, so basically that one interaction on Facebook with that little semi-detached for a tenner, okay, keeping that customer happy, has led to, all in all, so far, around 500 and odd pounds worth of window cleaning and gutter clearing work. That's the power, if you like, of social media and being visible in the real world. Okay, it's not all about social media, but it is very, very, very powerful as a tool to gather in customers. And you know, I think the biggest thing about it is looking at things like reviews, looking at things like driving traffic from your social media website, social media profile, you know, and having your website on there to drive traffic to your website is a phenomenal tool in gathering customers. And we have just repeated this and repeated this and repeated this several hundred times. And, you know, we are now you know, in the very fortunate position now where in the past I used to go out and sort of quote try and get more jobs by canvassing, by, you know, pounding the pavement, chewing the cud, knocking on the doors, talking to customers. Utilizing, you know, social media has been like a little force multiplier for us. It's basically made us more bigger and more accessible to people who otherwise wouldn't necessarily think to look for our services. If I was just doing it the traditional route of knocking on doors, etc., it frees me up. I have more time to enjoy life. I don't, you know, spend hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and hours a day like I used to when I started knocking on doors and talking to people, when social media attracts people to you. So yeah, I just thought I'd put that video out there just to, you know, sort of demonstrate the sort of power, if you like, of social media, and, you know, how it's helped me in my business. So if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing, and tune in every Friday for an update on or a new video, etc. So yeah, have a great day, peeps. I'm going to go and burn like a crisp in the sun while I clean windows, and I shall see you all in the next video. All the very best, peeps.